Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you a really light and simple dessert. It's going to be a roast apricot fool using homemade cultured cream. We're loving our easy and healthy desserts lately. Last week you would have seen our grape sorbet, and this week we're taking advantage of seasonal fruits, pairing that with our homemade cultured cream to make a really simple but delicious dessert. So I'll start with the apricots. I've got 10 apricots that I'm going to roast off in the oven, 180 degrees, with some honey and cinnamon and orange juice. Then we'll get going with the cultured cream part. Cut the apricots in half and take out the seed. Then in a bowl, mix them together with 1/3 cup of honey and the zest and juice of half an orange. Then arrange the apricots on a tray face down and add a broken up cinnamon stick to the pan. Roast the apricots for around 20 minutes or until they're just soft. Once the apricots are out of the oven, take 4 of the best ones out to serve on top of the fool, and then with the rest, just get a fork and mash them up to puree. Then leave that to cool completely before moving on to the next part, which is where the cultured cream comes in. The apricot puree is nice and cool now, so I'm going to move on to the next part, and everything's going to get mixed up in the Luvele glass jar. I've got 400 grams of cultured cream here. You could always use yogurt as well for a dessert like this, but it's a good idea to strain it so that it's nice and thick. So into the glass jar we'll add some vanilla. You could use 1 vanilla bean with the seed scraped out, or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then add a tablespoon of honey. Whip this mix together with a whisk until nice and thick. Then you can gently fold through the apricot puree. You can store it in the fridge until you're ready to serve, or of course you can serve this straight away. To serve, spoon some of the cultured cream and apricot mix into a small bowl and top it with one of the apricot halves and some toasted flaked almonds. So there you have it, another really easy, simple but delicious dessert. An excellent way to use up some of your homemade yogurt or cultured cream, and you can change this up by making it with all sorts of different stone fruits. Cherries, peaches, whatever you have available around you. Make sure you give this one a go at home and let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you want to see more of our Luvele Life recipes, then hit subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like, and we'll catch you again next week for another healthy recipe.